Liquid Organic Fertilizer, POC, is a liquid fertilizer made from organic materials that have undergone a decomposition or fermentation process. POC contains various nutrients needed by plants and is beneficial for soil fertilization, as well as being environmentally friendly. Potato peels and banana peels can be used as natural fertilizers for plants because they are rich in nutrients. Potato peels contain nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, while banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for plant growth, strengthening stems, promoting flowering, and helping plants resist disease. How to use potato peels and banana peels for plants. 1. Composting. Potato peels and banana peels can be mixed with other kitchen waste to make compost. The composting process will break down the peels into nutrients that are easily absorbed by plants. 2. Natural fertilizer. Water spinach can be used as a base ingredient for liquid organic fertilizer. The process involves fermenting the water spinach mixed with other ingredients such as stale rice, as a decomposer, and brown sugar liquid, as a food source for bacteria. This liquid organic fertilizer from water spinach can help fertilize plants and increase yields. Here are the general steps for making liquid organic fertilizer from water spinach. 1. Preparation of ingredients. Cut fresh water spinach into pieces to speed up the fermentation process. Prepare stale rice to be used as a decomposer. Prepare brown sugar liquid as a food source for bacteria. Ensure sufficient air. 2. Fermentation. Combine the water spinach, stale rice, brown sugar liquid, and water in a container. Stir until evenly distributed. Rotten watermelons can be processed into organic fertilizer. Watermelon waste, including the rind, contains nutrients that are beneficial to plants. This can be processed by composting or fermenting it into liquid organic fertilizer. Liquid organic fertilizer can be made from various organic materials, including potato peels, banana peels, kale, and rotten watermelon. The manufacturing process involves fermentation to break down these materials into nutrients that are easily absorbed by plants. Here are the general steps for making liquid organic fertilizer. 1. Prepare the ingredients. Cut the potato peels, banana peels, kale, and rotten watermelon into small pieces. Prepare clean air. Granulated sugar or brown sugar as an energy source for the microorganisms. M4, effective microorganisms 4, or other decomposers as a starter for fermentation. The main benefits of liquid organic fertilizer. For plants. Provides nutrients. POC contains various macronutrients, N, P, K, and micronutrients that are essential for plant growth. Enhances plant growth. POC can stimulate the growth of roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and fruit, and increases yields. Enhances plant quality. Plants treated with POC tend to produce better quality fruits or vegetables, such as larger size, sweeter flavor, and higher nutrient content. Enhances plant resilience. POC can help plants become stronger and more resistant to pests and diseases, as well as more adaptable to weather changes. Enhances nutrient absorption efficiency. POC can help plants better absorb nutrients from the soil and water. Other advantages. Environmentally friendly. POC is made from natural ingredients, making it more environmentally friendly than chemical fertilizers. Cost-effective. POC can be made independently using readily available ingredients, making it more cost-effective. Safe to use. POC does not contain harmful chemicals, making it safe for use on various types of plants and does not harm the environment. With these various benefits, liquid organic fertilizer is a good choice for improving plant fertility and preserving the environment. Liquid organic fertilizer for plant fertility. Improves soil fertility. Liquid organic fertilizer helps improve soil structure, increases nutrient availability, and maintains soil moisture. Accelerates plant growth. The nutrients in liquid organic fertilizer are easily absorbed by plants, thus optimizing vegetative and generative growth. Increases crop yields. Better and healthier plant growth will result in higher quality and more plentiful harvests. Environmentally friendly. Liquid organic fertilizer is made from natural ingredients and leaves no harmful residues for the environment. Increases plant immunity. Liquid organic fertilizer can help improve plant immunity against pests and diseases. Examples of liquid organic fertilizer uses. Base fertilizer. POC can be used as a base fertilizer before planting to provide initial nutrients to plants. Follow-up fertilizer.